Is your KitchenAid commercial mixer giving you trouble? Maybe it's not spinning, making strange noises, or just refusing to turn on. Welcome to PartsFe. These heavy-duty mixers are built to last, but even the best ones can run into issues over time. From worn-out gears and faulty motors to speed control and electrical problems, a little troubleshooting can save you time and expensive repairs. Start by checking the basics, make sure it's plugged in, the power's on, and the motor brushes aren't worn out. If your mixer makes grinding sounds or stops spinning, the gears might need replacing, especially the worm gear, which takes a lot of stress during mixing. Speed acting up? Inspect the control board and adjust the speed knob. Sometimes it's just a loose connection. And if the bowl lift feels jammed or attachments aren't fitting right, a quick alignment or height adjustment can make all the difference. Remember, electrical issues like blown fuses or frayed cords can also cause sudden shutdowns, so always check those before assuming the worst. And when things get too technical, sparks, smoke, or major power faults, it's best to call in a professional. For trusted commercial mixer replacement parts, visit PartsFe.com in the USA, UK, and Canada. And be sure to check out our blog, How to Fix a KitchenAid Commercial Mixers, on PartsFe.com. Follow us on social media for expert appliance repair tips from PartsFe. Thanks for watching.